Alright tube, Dre here. I'm getting ready to show you guys how to raise your vehicle when you don't feel like using the jack. Show you how to use your environment. First thing I do is, I don't know why people drain the oil first and then take the oil filter out, but I take the oil filter out first, even if the oil filter was on the bottom. Alright tube, to take this off you need an 1 1/16. It's been so long since I took one off, the hell I forgot what size it was. Also, you might want to blow off the dirt, which that probably didn't help. Alright tube, as you can see that it didn't take a lot of pressure to bring that off because I didn't tighten it real tight. It's got an O-ring around it, so you don't have to like super tight these things or whatever. And am I going to change the O-ring this time? Nope. And why not? Don't need to be changed. It's bathed in oil. Hey, too, well, the filter is still not completely black. I mean, you can still see brown in the filter. And this thing has got over 9,000 miles on it. Let's take it out. Alright tube, this is the filter with a little over 9,000 miles. And I mean, it's dirty, but it's not black. That's the reason I said I was going to go 9,000 miles without changing it this time. I stand corrected. It's not over 9,000 miles. It's 8,900 miles. And this is the drain plug I got from Ford. Didn't have to, but I broke one of the ears off my old one, original one. And it looks kind of ugly, so I decided to buy a new one. Especially after I found out they only cost like $3. Can you believe that? From the Ford. Alright, this is the oil filter. Here's the new oil filter. Crap. Well, hell, here's the new one and here's the old one. I mean, it's dirty, but there's no gum or anything like that. So, here I go putting the new one in. Still not going to change the O-ring here. Or, hell, it's got 2 O-rings there. Am I going to change them? Nope. Why? Because I don't need them. Alright tube, I'm starting to really collect some oil filter O-rings for this F-150. Alright, we're getting ready to put the new oil filter in. Ow. I touched that pipe. That pipe is hot. Alright, we screw it in until we can't screw it in no more. By hand, that is. And then I'll take my ratchet. Alright, it stops right there. And we're done with the oil filter. Alright tube, I know I said I wasn't gonna put this belly pan back up on here, but this truck gets horrible gas mileage without it, so I decided to put it back. in the front. guess that's loose. Guess I can slide over and grab the other one. And can I reach this one? Yeah. And we just have to pull it. Yeah, I don't see any oil drip drop, so I guess it's not leaking anywhere. Hey y'all, check out my transmission. Transmission don't seem to be leaking. Okay, now let's get this crazy drain plug out. Alright, that's the drain plug. Now, I'm gonna tell you something about this drain plug. When you drain the oil out, it comes out fast. So you better get out the way. You best get out the way. I think that's gonna catch the oil. Oh, fuck. Here we go. Shit. Damn it, I spilled the oil. Damn it, I spilled oil. Oh, that ain't pretty. Look at that crap. Making all down my hand. Oh, crap. Alright, tube, I spilled oil on this part right here. Got some on the transmission. And it's still draining. You know, the oil wasn't really that hot. I thought it would be kind of hot because I just got through driving the car. But it wasn't that hot. I mean, it didn't burn me. I normally sit here and let this thing drain and drain and drain, but I guess I will. It's draining pretty steady, so I guess I will. One of the things I hate about putting this down belly pan up is it's difficult to put in, but I think I learned last time the best thing to do is to get the front going first and then put the back end last. And the way you get the front end is to it's kind of hard to explain, but it's got a lip on it. It has a lip on it. I'll show you in a second. Get that lip to push up on top of the black part right there. And when you got it up in the air, basically, see how the lip is sitting on top of the little black part? Take your hand and you can maneuver those bolts into where they gotta go. I just figured that out just now. And when you get the bolts up in there, just take your finger and turn them. Take your finger and turn them until they're all the way in. Well, until you can't turn no more. It really helps. It really helps if you have an electric wrench thing, because you can don't have to be super tight. They only 8 millimeters bolts.
You hear them slow down like that, they pretty much in all the way. Yeah. Now the ones here in the back, they're really easy to get them to go in. So you want to stick it up by hand first and turn it. Just need to turn it a few times by hand, then use the wrench. One good thing about it, if you strip out these bolts, you can go buy the damn clips. Hell, I got them from AutoZone. Yeah, I know I used the wrench to do that, but like I said, if you strip them out, they're real easy to replace. Now I just gotta fill it up with oil. Gotta get some, what do you call it? Degreaser. I don't want to leave oil spots out here where I've been changing oil. I'll show y'all what I do to clean that up in a second. Make it easier. To make it easier to put oil in the truck, I'm gonna roll it off this curb. Release the parking brake. I'm not gonna crank the engine up. Let it roll back. Alright, tube. Alright, we got 5 quarts of 530 Motorcraft synthetic blend. Hopefully I can pour this without spilling it. And this is the last of my 530s, so should be 6 quarts here. Now all we gotta do is crank it up and reset the oil light monitor. And this is what the oil looks like in the daylight, in the sun. It's pretty black. And it's about almost 9,000 miles worth. It is black, but if you notice how on the side that is still brown, so is the oil still good? According to the computer, it's on 11% life left in this oil, according to 4 computers. Anywho, I just thought I'd let y'all see what it looked like. Y'all have a good day. All right, too, there's one other thing I want to show you guys about the pan. Now, I haven't cleaned the pan out. If you look, I mean, the pan is dirty, but look, I mean, I'm just saying, look at how the oil is still brown. I mean, that's amazing. You know, that you put almost 9,000 miles on the engine. And you know, there's been cars where I've changed the oil in cars that had 3,000 or 4,000 miles on the oil, and all of this right here would be completely black, not brown. So that's why I said the newer cars, they don't beat up the oil like the older cars do. Right, y'all have a good day. Dre, I hope y'all enjoyed my video. Bye.